Hi guys, this is Bhavya Sharma here from Dualite. So today we'll be building an AI-powered YouTube Summariser. I've written a short prompt for the same, so let's dive right into it. So the result is right in front of us. With the first prompt, we had built an elegant base layout for our product. So you can see here an AI powered intelligence and this glowing star kind of thing, and no ads, no distractions, just the essence delivered in seconds. And if you can see, it's quite responsive as well. So this is the main hero section. Well, we have here by choose our AI summarizer with 3 key points, an explanation given with it. It also says that we can start for free with no sign up required, and 10 plus million videos summarized, 500k plus happy users, and 99.9% uptime. Well, if you can see here, this is responsive as well. It's looking really nice. So now let's move on to our second prompt. So with the next prompt, what we had done is we added an API key from Rapid API, and now let's try summarizing our YouTube video. So now let's try adding a YouTube video link and get our summary as well as transcript. Here I have pasted one, so let's summarize it. We get a pop-up message fetching video, and yes, it's right in front of us within seconds. So this is the thumbnail with transcript of 30,668 characters and summary of 296 characters. As you see, this is the entire summary. This is the entire transcript right in front of us, and at the same time, this is the AI generated summary. The summary has the opening, the key point, conclusion, content length, and estimated reading time as well. So with the next prompt, I had embedded an GEMINI API key from Google AI Studio. I've taken a video to summarize, and it is right in front of us. This time the AI summary is of 4,047 characters and the transcript is of 30,770 characters. And this AI generated summary is powered by Gemini. So executive summary, key points, detailed breakdown of different sections as well, the key insights and takeaways, as well as timeline highlights and additional context. So in this video, with the first prompt, we had made a basic layout of an elegant web-based tool. With the second prompt, we had embedded a Rapid API key. And the third prompt, we made it Gemini powered. In this, I had added an API key which was taken from Google AI Studio. And the results are right in front of us. So this is how you can build an AI-powered intelligent YouTube video summarizer with Dualite Alpha. Thank you.